In this video, I'm going to be talking about sleep manifestation. Yes, manifesting your desires, your dreams while you sleep. Hi, I'm Preeti. I'm your life coach and law of attraction guide. Before we begin, can you please hit the big red subscribe button below and also press the bell icon right next to it so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Sleep manifestation. An amazing technique that literally anybody can use. That you can use to tap into your sleep and manifest your desires, your dreams. Now, 95% of our life is governed by our subconscious mind. Only 5% of your life is governed by your conscious mind. This means that we need to learn how to effectively work on our subconscious mind to get what we want. And what better way to do than to control your subconscious mind while you're sleeping? Think about it. We spend at least 7 or 8 hours every day sleeping. So think about how many hours you're sleeping in a month, in a year, over many years. We are actually wasting those precious hours by not manifesting, by not using the power of that deep sleep to get whatever we want, our desires, our dreams, our wishes. So when you think about sleep, you can think about it as a long meditation or a long visualization, because we have dreams and those dreams are a part of our subconscious mind. So whatever impressions we have during the day in our subconscious mind, they come up as dreams at night. So now I'd like to help you reprogram your subconscious mind so that you can harness that power and use it to your advantage. Now, before we sleep, what did most of us do? We either reflect on what happened during the day, all the things that could have gone differently. I could have said this to her instead, and why didn't she call me? And why did this have to happen? And all those things that went wrong. Or we are on our phone. We are scrolling endlessly on social media and looking at how other people are living their life. Oh, this person bought a new car. Oh, this person went on another vacation. And that brings about a lot of negative feelings. Feelings like jealousy, feelings of like, oh, I'm missing out, feelings of anxiety, feelings of, oh, I'm not good enough. And those are all negative emotions. And we know that these negative emotions have a lower vibrational frequency. And that's not a good thing if you're trying to manifest using law of attraction. So what I want you to do is, before you go to bed, instead of scrolling on Facebook or Instagram or whatever else, I want you to listen to a guided meditation or affirmations or Ho'oponopono prayer. Any one of these, meditation, affirmation or Ho'oponopono prayer. Any of these three will lift your vibrational energy, calm your mind down, and really make you open to the possibility of manifesting. I'll put the links to this meditation, affirmations, and to a Ho'oponopono prayer in the description below. Please use that. Use that every single day, because when you do that every day, you will see how your sleep pattern improves. You will have a very peaceful sleep. So not only are you going to listen to this, but before you sleep, you're going to set that intention. Whatever you want to manifest, say you want to manifest a new job, or you want to manifest a new house, whatever it is, think about it that yes, I already have it. Yes, the universe has given me this amazing gift of a new job or a new life partner or whatever you want to manifest. So think about it for a few seconds and listen to the affirmation, Ho'oponopono prayer or meditation, your choice, whichever you feel comfortable. You can just switch it up if you feel bored every day listening to the same thing. So do that and then sleep. What that does is calms your mind and sends the signal to your subconscious mind that this is what I'm focusing on. Instead of just random thoughts of social media and the events of the day, now you're giving a clear direction to your mind, and your mind will focus on what you're feeding it. Now you've sown the seeds of whatever you want to manifest, and also given the pathway to manifest it by listening to the Ho'oponopono prayer or meditation or affirmations. These are all positive things that you're feeding your mind. First, you're going to think about what you want to manifest and visualize it as if already have it. Number 2, you are going to listen to either the affirmations, guided meditation, or the Ho'oponopono prayer. And then you go off to sleep. In the morning, when you wake up, again, you're not going to reach for your phone and scroll through the messages or emails or whatever else it is. No. You wake up and you connect with the universe. Close your eyes and just feel that universal energy flowing through you. You are one with this infinite universe. For a few seconds, so this will just really put you in that zone. Once you feel connected, then you're going to communicate with the universe. The same desire that you talked about the previous night, you're going to communicate again. That the universe has given me this amazing life partner who loves me truly and who I love so deeply. So you're going to communicate with the universe. And then the third thing that you're going to do is express gratitude. Thank the universe. Thank the universe for this wonderful new day that you have before you. Thank the universe for making sure that everything falls into place for you and that you have this beautiful life. And thank the universe for giving you this amazing new day where you can accomplish so many wonderful things and have an awesome time. Just thank the universe. And then start your day. Do this every day and you will notice such a big difference in your life, because you're starting your day on such a positive note. You're filling yourself with so much positivity right in the beginning. And then at the end of the day, you're unwinding on a high note by again focusing on what you want, as well as listening to the meditations and affirmations and filling your subconscious mind with a lot of positivity. So at the beginning of the day and the end of the day, there's a lot of positivity. And if you do this over and over and over again every day, you will start noticing that everything in between, that is from morning to night, your normal day will be filled with so much positivity. You will feel like you have a lot more confidence. You will feel the connection with the universe, and you will notice that the universe is making sure that whatever you want, your desires, your wishes, your dreams are coming true. This is a very effective technique, but you need to follow all the steps properly. You can't just choose one and do it. You need to follow all the steps in the right sequence and do it every day. Consistency is key. So just to recap, the first thing is before going to bed, you're going to think about your desire and visualize that the universe has already given it to you, and feel how you will feel once it already comes to you. Number 2, you're going to listen to the affirmations or a guided meditation or the Ho'oponopono prayer to fill your subconscious mind with positivity. No scrolling through social media or checking your emails or messages before going to bed. Do your meditation and go to bed. Next, when you wake up, connect with the universe. Feel the presence of the universal energy within you. Next, communicate. Communicate whatever your desire is as if it has already happened. Third is expressing gratitude. You're going to thank the universe for giving you this amazing new day where you can accomplish so many wonderful things. That's it. Try it out. Try it out at least for a few days and you will start noticing a difference. If you're going to practice sleep meditation from today, comment down below. Thank you, universe. I want to see as many comments below so that I know that you guys are really excited about this technique and that you're going to implement it. And don't forget to share your success stories once you practice this and see results in your life, because I really want to showcase all the positive changes that this technique can bring into your life. So I want to hear your success stories. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. I will put the links to my Facebook and Instagram in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!